Hey, what's going on, guys? I got another video for you guys today. Today is more of a tip of how to wash your hands properly and thoroughly. And I got another tip for you guys. If you guys are wearing gloves and masks and you're going grocery shopping or wherever you're going, do not go into the grocery store with the gloves and the mask and then come out and then get in your car with the gloves and the mask. That just defeats the purpose. Get rid of the mask and the gloves before you get in your car to go home. That is the entire point. Okay, guys? Get rid of it. Another guys, get an Amazon package or anything you've ordered from anywhere. You know, dispose the box with some gloves and bring your item into the house and wash it off thoroughly. Clean it thoroughly, wipe it down with some Clorox wipes or something like that, you know, so just in case there's any bacteria or virus or anything that, you know, may be on it. And guys, so here we go. I'll show you how to wash your hands properly. So guys, here you go. Turn your water on. You basically want to wet your hands first. Get some like warm water. No, get up to your wrist. Just wash off, get in between. Then you want to get some soap. You want to soap your hands up first. Get in between your wrists. And you want to wash your hands for about 20 to 30 seconds. Get in between both of your hands. In between your thumbs. All the crevices is in your hands. Try to get maybe about a couple inches above your wrist. You know, this is the time to get in between your nails. Watch your nails. Clean looking your nails if you got anything. You know. Right? And then put your hands in the water. And there you have it, guys. How to properly wash your hands. Guys, for watching this video. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. You guys are the best, and I really appreciate you guys taking your time out of your day, of whatever you're doing to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. So guys, please stay safe. Stay home if you don't have to go nowhere, guys. It's really serious out here. And again, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and leave your comments down below. You can always suggest any video, any cooking video down below, or your thoughts or anything, and you know, put a thumbs up, and I really appreciate you guys.